Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss different modes of propagation of electromagnetic waves. We know that the electromagnetic waves in the frequency range of few hertz to about 10 to the power 10 to the power 11 hertz are generally called radio waves. The electromagnetic waves in the frequency range from 8 into 10 to the power 10 to 5 into 10 to the power 11 are generally called radio waves. And these waves are useful for transmission of information from one place to another place without the help of wires or any material medium between the two places. The signals to be transmitted is converted into electrical signal and then superimposed on a high frequency oscillating current flowing through the metallic conductor of suitable shape and size. This conductor it is called transmitting antenna. जहाँ से वेव ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है उसको अपने को क्या बोलना है? ट्रांसमिटिंग एंटीना. And transmitting antenna radiates corresponding radio waves into atmosphere. At the receiving station, there is another metallic conductor of suitable shape and size called receiving antenna. When radio waves are intercepted by the receiving antenna, a small varying EMF is introduced in the antenna. This EMF is amplified and recorded to obtain the information contained in the original signal. This is the process of transmission of masses from one place to another place. Therefore, radio waves are used to transfer the information from one place to another place. That's why we have to study the propagation of electromagnetic waves, especially radio waves from one place to another place. Now there are three types of modes: ground wave propagation, space wave propagation, and sky wave propagation. Now see, let us first ground wave propagation. What is meant by the ground wave propagation? Let us see. This is the surface of the earth. Surface of the earth is curved. These are the two antennas. This antenna is from the transmitter, जहाँ से रेडियो वेव्स निकल रहे हैं वो एंटीना को अपने को बोलना है ट्रांसमिटिंग एंटीना. एंड जहाँ रेडियो वेव्स रिसीव हो रहे हैं वो एंटीना को अपने को बोलना है रिसीविंग एंटीना. इट इज़ अ मेटालिक कंडक्टर. स्पेशली एंटीनाज आर द मेटालिक कंडक्टर्स. This is the transmitting antenna and this is the receiving antenna and this is the surface of the earth. When the radio waves from the transmitting antenna, propagate along the surface of the earth, so as to reach the receiving antenna. In order to reach the receiving antenna, the wave propagation is called ground wave propagation, or it is also known as the surface wave propagation. See once again, when radio wave from the transmitting antenna propagate along the surface of the earth, this is the surface of the earth, and these waves are propagate along the surface of the earth so as to reach the receiving antenna. This wave propagation is called ground wave propagation or surface wave propagation. In this case, the frequency of the radio wave must be less than 2 megahertz. We know that mega means 10 to the power 6 hertz. Radio waves having the frequency less than 2 megahertz. This mode of propagation is suitable for the local broadcasting only. This mode of transmission is suitable for local broadcasting because the range of this transmission is very small. If the distance between these two antenna is very large, then it is impossible to propagate the radio waves from one antenna to another antenna, and it is not suitable for the TV or FM. It is used, this mode of propagation is used for only local broadcasting. It is not suitable for the TV or FM frequency modulation. Thank you.